Boom! What is up, my legion of leasers, my army of apartment maniacs? May 25th, Towbes Group. You got me, Matt Easton, founder of Leasing University. We're gonna be doing a Leasing University live at the beautiful, the amazing, the awesome, I can't believe they're gonna let us in there, Hotel Californian in Santa Barbara, California. Are we gonna get a little more leases? Yes! Are we gonna learn how to answer the phones? Absolutely. Are we gonna have a great time? 100%. Am I going to teach you how to handle any objection that you might face, any complaint that you might face? Absolutely. And I'm gonna show you how to know the difference between an objection and a complaint. We're gonna handle everything from phones to follow-up, to tours, to closing. And most importantly, we're gonna have a lot of fun, and your life in leasing is gonna change. We're gonna be doing a live event all day. A lot of the material is the same stuff that CLC, Certified Leasing Consultants, cover. We're gonna teach it to you. We're gonna be having a great time during this live event, May 25th in Santa Barbara with the great, the powerful Towbes Group, the best in the business. Be there May 25th. You're gonna be there with me, Matt Easton, founder of Leasing University. I'm so excited. Can you tell I'm excited? I'm just a little bit excited. I'll see you in Santa Barbara. The way people rent apartments has changed. Today's renter has access to more information. Today's renter has more choices. The apartment industry needs you. Studies have shown that moving is the most stressful life event. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of leasing apartments in a way that's meaningful to you and your renters and get you 7 times more leases. I'll show you how the perfect leasing process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from answering the phone to closing the lease. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so that you can build value in your apartments. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your renter so it's easy for them to rent with you. I've taught the best property management companies and thousands of people just like you how to lease apartments. Property management is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or property management before. And for the advanced property manager, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Leasing University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective. We're gonna help you become a rock star in property management. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Leasing University.